As Max continued to uphold the legacy of Emily and James, he began to expand the influence of their story beyond the local community. He initiated partnerships with international music and architecture institutions, creating exchange programs that allowed young talents from around the world to learn and grow together. One notable partnership was with a prestigious music conservatory in Vienna and an architectural school in Tokyo. These collaborations brought new perspectives and ideas, enriching the Timeless Melody Festival and inspiring innovative projects that merged cultural influences from different parts of the world. The International Symposium. To further celebrate the global influence of Emily and James's legacy, Max organized an international symposium. This event brought together musicians, architects, and scholars from various countries to discuss the intersection of music and architecture. Held at the concert hall, the symposium featured presentations, workshops, and performances that showcased how these two art forms could enhance and complement each other. The event was a huge success, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of the creative synergy that had defined Emily and James's lives. One of the highlights of the symposium was a collaborative performance by musicians from different cultures, playing pieces that had been composed specifically for the event. The music filled the concert hall, echoing the timeless melody that had begun with Emily and James. The new generation. Among the attendees of the symposium was a young prodigy named Aiko, a violinist from Japan who had been deeply moved by Emily's music and story. Inspired by the legacy, Aiko approached Max, expressing her desire to study and contribute to the ongoing journey of blending music and architecture. Max welcomed Aiko with open arms, seeing in her the same passion and dedication that had driven generations before her. Under his guidance, Aiko began to compose her own music, integrating architectural elements into her performances. The cultural exchange. Aiko's presence brought a fresh wave of creativity to the concert hall. Her performances were a fusion of traditional Japanese music and modern compositions, set against the backdrop of innovative stage designs that reflected the influence of James's architectural principles. Max and Aiko worked together to create a series of cultural exchange events, where artists from different countries could come and share their work. These events not only celebrated the diversity of artistic expression but also strengthened the bonds between communities, fostering a sense of global unity. The Art of Fusion. One of the most ambitious projects Max and Aiko undertook was the design and construction of a new concert hall in Tokyo. This hall was to be a blend of Japanese architectural aesthetics and the innovative design principles established by James. The project attracted widespread attention and brought together some of the brightest minds in architecture and music. The resulting concert hall was a stunning example of fusion, where traditional Japanese elements harmonized with modern design, creating a space that was both serene and inspiring. The opening concert featured Aiko performing a piece she had composed in honor of Emily, her violin's notes resonating through the hall, capturing the essence of the timeless melody. The everlasting bond. Max and Aiko's collaboration deepened over time, their shared dedication to honoring the legacy of Emily and James forging a strong bond between them. Their work continued to inspire and influence countless artists and architects around the world. Together, they authored a book titled The Fusion of Arts, documenting their journey and the projects they had undertaken. The book became a source of inspiration for future generations, encouraging them to explore the possibilities that arise when different art forms come together. The next chapter. As the years passed, Max and Aiko became mentors to a new generation of artists and architects. They established an international foundation dedicated to promoting the integration of music and architecture, providing scholarships and funding for innovative projects. The foundation's headquarters were located in a beautifully designed building that combined elements of James's original concert hall with influences from the various cultures they had encountered. It stood as a symbol of the ongoing legacy, a place where creativity and collaboration thrived. The timeless journey. One evening, Max and Aiko sat together in the garden of the concert hall, looking at the sculpture of the intertwined hands. They reflected on the journey that had brought them there, a journey that had started with Emily and James and had grown into a global movement. Our work is a testament to the power of love and creativity, Max said, his voice filled with emotion. Emily and James's story continues to inspire and guide us, and it will do so for generations to come. Aiko nodded, her eyes shining with gratitude. Their melody is truly timeless, and it's our privilege to carry it forward. The eternal legacy. As the sun set, casting a warm glow over the garden, Max and Aiko knew that the legacy of Emily and James would never fade. Their story, their love, and their passion had created a symphony that resonated through the ages, inspiring countless others to follow their dreams and create beauty in the world. The concert hall, the foundation, and the countless lives touched by their legacy stood as enduring reminders of the power of creativity and love. The timeless melody played on, an eternal harmony that would echo through the corridors of time, forever inspiring those who listened.